In this video, we're doing a West Coast swing move called an inside roll. And we're going to show you how to do it two ways. What we'll do is we'll show you first what we taught.
I'll do a sugar push.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5,
Keep the
and
left
6,
hand.
and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. That was one way. And this is the way we did it. The second way. 1,
Show the
2,
hand.
3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We're going to break those down for you.
Okay, I did a sugar push. The first one I did with the left hand to her right hand. So I'm gonna set up a sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I go out slightly. She's gonna do 2 walks in. I'm gonna do left side pass footwork. I'm gonna get out of her way for 1, 2. The lead goes away from me. Then we wrap the inside turn for 3 and follow her on 4, 5, and 6 from this side. Walk 1, I'm out of the way. 3, and I'm back on the track. 5 and 6. That's with the left hand to
Okay,
the
so
right.
let me show my footwork. So he gives me a little prep for 1, very little. Then he gives me a larger one for 2. As he does 3, he's giving me a lead to turn. I'm facing him on 3. I go away from him and then as I do 4, 4 is a long count, I step 4, and then I anchor 5 and 6.
And leaders, you'll step back in on 4.
1, 2, I go ball, ball, flat, ball meaning the ball of my foot, flat, triple step.
Now the second version of this, I'm going to get my right hand,
Let's use this side to show
my
you.
right hand to her left hand. So I'll do the sugar, 2, 3, and 4. I let go of the left hand. As she walks in, I'm gonna show the left hand like this. 1, by count 2, the hand needs to be up. She needs to show that she got the message. Her hand is up. We turn 3 and 4. Footwork is identical on that. Again from this side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 2 walks in for her. 1, 2. The hand is up now.
Notice that I give him the signal that I got it. If I keep my hand down here, he might not do this move, or he'll do it just a free spin or something. But
Okay.
for here, I show my hand.
Thumb is down.
So then I reach for him, 3 and 4. I don't
So-
really reach for him. I said I get there.
So without
Let me
stopping,
show you.
that one again. She walks in.
1,
I show
2,
the hand.
3, and 4, 5, and
That one
6.
works really well.
So that's what we taught in our
Okay.
class. See you later. Bye-bye.